Welcome to my channel Easy Tulu, Learn Tulu language online. In this video, we are going to learn words related to tastes in Tulu and their meaning in English, Kannada, Hindi, Tamil, Malayalam and Telugu languages. Ruchikulu, Ruchikulu, cheape or teepe, sweet, cheape or teepe, kaipe, bitter, kaipe, uppu, salt, uppu, puli, sour, puli, kara, spicy, kara, kanarpe or kaneru, astringent, kanarpe or kaneru, chappe, insipid, chappe. These are the basic tastes. Now let us learn few more words related to taste. Sabi means taste or sweetness. Sabi. Pulpu or pulpena means tasty or sourness. Use it to describe taste of curries. Pulpu or pulpena. Kodakkena, strong taste with excess of chili and tamarind. This is also used to describe taste of curries. Kodakkena, kaipel, bitterness. Kaipel, kasa, brackish. Kasa, singi, excess of saltish taste or poison. Singi. Okay, now let us see few expressions which are used to express excessiveness of different tastes. Cheapeda pani, used to express excessiveness of sweet taste. Cheapeda pani. Kaipeda isa, used to express excessiveness of bitterness. Kaipeda isa. Uppuda kasa or uppuda singi, used to express excessiveness of saltish taste. Uppuda kasa or uppuda singi. Puli nandu, used to express excessiveness of sourness taste. Puli nandu. Chappe charu, used to express too much of tasteless or insipid. Chappe charu. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please click on the thumbs up button below. Also don't forget to subscribe by clicking on the subscribe button to get notification on my latest video lessons on YouTube. If you have any suggestions, please comment. Happy learning and we will meet again in the next video. Bye.